Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel we review about skincare and haircare products. So today we are going to review hair products. In a hair shampoo use in washing the hair, it called Elan Shampoo. Before I start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload new video. Elan Shampoo effectively combats dandruff, soothes dry, itchy and irritating scalp and eliminates flakes. It repairs, revitalizes, and strengthens damaged hair. Elan Shampoo gently cleanses and removes excessive buildup from hair to reveal soft, silky, and healthy-looking hair from within. Removes dandruff and flakes, provides cooling and soothing effect, and relieves scalp itching and irritation. Penetrates deep to strengthen, condition, and detangle hair. Adds sheen, body and bounce to hair. How to use Elan Shampoo. Apply a generous amount to a wet hair. Massage gently into a rich lather with your fingers. Leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off thoroughly. For best result, use twice a week. Avoid contact with the eyes. If this occurs, rinse thoroughly with clean water. Ingredients used to produce Elan Shampoo. Aqua, Texapan, cocamidopropyl betaine, compralan cod, sodium chloride, dihiquat agafquat, salicylic acid, Nutrilon, sulfur, Germal Plus, color, menthol, perfume. Benefits of using Elan Shampoo. 1. It effectively helps to combat dandruff. 2. It revitalizes hair. 3. It helps to strengthens and restore damaged hair. 4. It helps to soothe and cool the scalp. 5. It is affordable and best quality for hair. Here are some of the questions people ask about Elan Shampoo with their answers. Is Elan Shampoo good for natural hair? If you have a fairly healthy hair and you just need a product to maintain the state of your hair, then Elan is good for your hair. However, you should cautious of using it alone as it does not give your hair the full nutrient it deserves. It is good for basic maintenance. Side effects of Elan Shampoo. It has no side effects. Does Elan Shampoo contain sulfate? No. Elan Hair Shampoo is free of sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals, making it safe for all hair types. Its unique formula helps to reduce frizz, add shine, and improve manageability. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, use the comments section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.